Hello everyone. This is a presentation for those who are interested in cell phone repair or for those who may just be looking for another way to make an income. My name is Alex and I fix computers and cell phones while attending college full time, and I'm able to make great money on the side doing it. This presentation will cover some of the basics and kind of guide you by giving you pointers of where to get some information needed to excel in cell phone repairs. Hope you enjoy. Specializing is key. If you're an Apple person, just fix Apple. If you're a Samsung person, just fix Samsung. Samsung, for example, has Galaxy 3 through 8 and other models like the Note. By only focusing on Samsung models, it will benefit you by knowing what inventory to have on back stock and make you a pro at fixing Samsung phones. Repetition is key, and after fixing hundreds of them, it will become second nature to you and a lot easier on you. When I first started, I tried fixing everything and made so many errors until I slowed down and focused on one brand. Tools needed for the job are precision screwdrivers, spudgers, electric static wrist strap, jimmy knife, assorted tray for screws, tweezers, a suction cup to pull on phone screens, and opening picks. This video here is showing the iFixit tool set. This set has everything needed for starting out, and the price is $70. You can purchase other sets from anywhere between $20 to $30, but I highly recommend this set because of everything it provides. When purchasing tools, you want to always think staying portable. You never know where you'll end up repairing phones at, so keeping a small compact tool set is almost a necessity for this type of work. Of phone repairs for hardware are cracked screens and water damage. For water damaged phones, you can leave them in rice overnight to dry, and for phones that are flooded with salt water or oil, you can flush them out by leaving the phone to 99% alcohol for about an hour, and then follow up drying them out and then putting them in rice overnight. Repairing cracked screens are different for each phone. Each make and model has its own unique way of taking the screen off and putting the screen back on. Sometimes needs heat for adhesives, but is primarily put together with a bunch of screws. In this video you can see all the different screws and how this guy stays organized by separating them. He lays out the screws in the order he takes them out, and then he just reverses the process to put it back together. I have also used a magnetic mat to stay organized when I first started out and labeled each screw. I would highly recommend this when starting out until you get a little bit more comfortable. So be wary of this when inspecting a new phone and the screen won't light up. Most of the time it is because the LCD is broken. Sometimes on older phones you can purchase the whole phone at the same price the LCD is. It will save you time and money if you always think of this. You would then put the LCD in the molding, apply UV glue to the surface, and then lay the screen on and let the phone sit under the UV light for about 5 minutes or until the phone dries. The battle with the UV glue is hard at first. Keeping bubbles and dust out seems challenging, but gets easier with practice. FRUs are extremely affordable. You can get these items from anywhere between $2 to $20. I can usually find USB ports for around $3 and usually charge $30 to fix. Once you get good at putting together phones and finding parts, you can start building your own.
Coming to Shenzhen is like visiting the future, but it's this crazy dystopian Blade Runner-esque future. So to make a phone, I think I need 4 pieces. I need the metal back, the shell the phone sits in. I need a screen. I need a battery. And then I need the logic board, which is the circuit board that has the processor and the memory and things like that on it. So we're in a back alley behind the cell phone markets. I'm going to take a look at what's available here. Sometimes there are phone backs that are available for sale.
Always do your best to get OEM parts. You want to sell and fix phones with originals. Also, by building a phone that doesn't have original parts, leaves you vulnerable to be sued in the future for copywriting. All these sites are great for ordering parts. I favor eBay out of all of them because I usually snipe my deals and get everything at a very low rate. Those of you who are interested, Google sniping and you'll definitely win stuff at better prices. This presentation helps give you an idea of where to start and search into your journey in the cell phone world. Thanks for watching.